Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is the difference between confidence level and level of significance? What is level of significance? The probability with which we will reject a null hypothesis when it is true, and it is denoted as alpha. But the confidence level, the probability with which we will accept a null hypothesis when it is true, and it is denoted as 1 minus alpha and is equal to C. Dear students, in a problem always given a null hypothesis, if the null hypothesis reject the probability with which we will reject a null hypothesis, if the null hypotheses which are given in the problem we reject, and this statement is true, then we say it is a level of significance that is equal to alpha. But if the null hypothesis accept and this statement is true, then we say this is a confidence level which is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now the question is, why we use alpha for the level of significance and 1 minus alpha for confidence level or interval? The answer is that we know that the maximum value of the probability is always equal to 1. So the probability to have or not to have something always equal to 1. So we check the rejection, a null hypothesis which is the level of significance alpha, and add in the acceptance a null hypothesis which is the confidence level which is equal to 1 minus alpha, and that result is equal to 1. This shows the probability that is equal to 1. You can see inshallah in the problem the level of significance. These things are given in a question. The level of significance in a problem given which is equal to 0.01. If we convert this in a percentage, that is equal to 1%, and in this respect the confidence level is equal to 0.99, and when we convert in the percentage which is equal to 99%. These are the chance of error and these are the chance of truth. Level of significance, you know, in a definition, the level of significance is we will reject a null hypothesis when it is true. In the level of significance, the chance of error, but in the confidence level we studied that the acceptance a null hypothesis when it is to be true, and this is the chance of truth. If this are given in a problem, then you understand the confidence level is 99%, because the total probability makes is equal to 1. If we check in normal ways 0.01 and add 0.99, then some of these are equal to 1. This is the total probability and shows this is a correct. And if in a problem given 0.05, then this is a level of significance. This is an error, chance of error. Those problem are given in this problem 0.05 is the chance of error, which says the level of significance denoted as alpha, and understood the confidence level in that problem is equal to 0.95. and when we add these two is equal to 1, this shows that the probability is equal to 1 and it is correct. And similarly, this level of significance is 10%, its confidence level is 90%. Understood? Because this is a chance of error. The chance of error in a problem is 10%. Of course, the chance of truthness in the problem is 90%. If the chance in a problem is 5%, then the confidence level, the chance of truthness in a problem is 95%. If the chance of error, that is level of significance, is 1%, then 99% is the chance of truthness, that is the confidence level. Now, significance level we see in a graphically, this is a bell-shaped structure, and minus 1.96 sigma and plus 1.96 sigma, this is the confidence level. If the significance level is 5%, then you understand the confidence. If the significance level is 5%, then the confidence level is 95%. And which is the acceptance region? Dear students, be kept in mind the confidence level is an acceptance region and shows this. This is the two-tail test. This is a figure of two-tail. And before this, because 5% is significance level and 2.5% is in the left of this figure and 2.5% is the right in the figure of the, to shows the critical region or the rejection region. These two regions are rejection region. We will explain more these things in the upcoming lectures, inshallah. But here you understand these two terminologies simply: what is significance level and what is confidence interval. Any question you will like to ask, please, in the comment section. Okay, Allah Hafiz.